No makeup on, BBQ chicken, let's go. Couldn't forget the zero sugar Dr. Pepper. Let's start with the cheeseling wings. They've been crunchier. I got their wings on fire for the first time because I want to feel pain. They don't smell very hot though. Oh wait. These are hot. It tastes straight up like Buldak sauce. Oh my god. I accidentally ordered these boneless, which I'm really sad about, but they're still good. They're definitely crunchier bone-in. I have a pretty high spice tolerance, so I'm really enjoying the spice level of these. Look how much sauce is on that. Definitely a challenge though. These are the kinds of wings, in my opinion, that don't need any ranch. They're so seasoned. Definitely a new favorite flavor for me. As I've said before, if it doesn't look like this, it is not done. If you haven't tried BBQ chicken, go get some.